Good afternoon. Myself, Dr. Amarnath Shetty, Professor in Civil Department, KJIT, Mangalore. Today, I will explain about coordinate system in advanced survey. Uh, this is the position of a heavenly body uh, can be specified by two spherical coordinates, coordinates coordinates that by two angular distance measured along the axis of the great circles which cut each other right angle. One of the great circle known as primary circle with reference to other secondary circle of the reference. Thus, in a figure below, you can show that the position of the point M can be specified with reference uh, to the plane OAB and the line AO that bring the origin of the coordinates. Okay, we will study about this coordinate system. If the plane passes through OM perpendicular to plane OAB, it will cut later the line OB. Two spherical uh, coordinates of the points M. Therefore, angle AOB and BOM at the center, O is arc AB and BM. The practical astronomy, the position crystal bodies can be specified following the system of coordinates. Okay. Now I'll explain the figure. Okay, we can see the spherical this one coordinates. Okay, OA, OB, and OM. Okay, there are different types of this AOB, the angle AOB. Okay, AOB and BOM at the center O and arc AB and BM. In practical astronomy, position of crystal body can be specified by self of the coordinate. By the self of the coordinate, there are different types. We will study the horizon system in the coordinate system. In a horizon system, independent equilateral system. Okay, dependent equilateral system, crystal latitude and longitude system. One by one, we will go coordinates part of the coordinate study. Horizon system it depend upon the position of observer. The independent equilateral system independent the position of the observer, position apply the observer. Therefore, there were on the earth depend upon the equilateral system on the great circle reference independent to the position of the observer, while great circle perpendicular to former depend upon the position of the observer. That let another system coordinate known as crystal system in which position of the body is specified crystal latitude and crystal longitude. The horizon system, attitude and azimuth system. The horizon observer plane reference to the coordinate of heavenly body. First on azimuth and altitude. Okay, this system is necessary to fact measure the horizon and vertical angle with the engineering transect. Two great circle of the reference of and observed meridian, former being the primary circle, later be the secondary circle. Okay, we can see for observed meridian, zenith distance. Okay, this alpha. Okay, m dash. Okay, the body of the eastern part of the crystal sphere. We can see here. Okay, in a figure 3.9, M is the heavenly body, eastern part of the crystal sphere. Z is observed zenith, and T is the horizontal crystal pole. Passes through the vertical circle, though M is the intersect at the horizon zone at M. First coordinate M. Azimuth is the angles between the observed meridian, vertical circle through the body. Azimuth can be either measured angular, okay, a distance along the horizon. The measurement measured from the meridian to the foot vertical distance through the point. It is also equal to the angle of zenith between the meridian and vertical circle through M. The coordinate of M is the attitude alpha angular distance measured above. The measured of the vertical circle through the body. Similarly, figure 3.1 shows the position of the body in a western part of the crystal sphere. it should be noted that the northern hemisphere, the azimuth always measures from the north, north either eastward, okay, or westward, depend upon the whether the body is eastern part of the crystal sphere or western part of the crystal sphere. In a southern hemisphere, azimuth is measured from the south, east or west. Alternately, position of the body sometimes specified azimuth distance and zenith distance and azimuth. Zenith distance of the body is angular distance from the zenith measured along in the vertical. It is a component of altitude. The zenith distance is 90 minus alpha. Horizontal system of the coordinate undergoes the constant rapid change due to the diurnal motion. Okay. Here we can horizontal the horizon zenith distance. We can see the zenith distance. This is the horizon alpha angle observer meridian. Okay. This we can see the body part of the western part of the crystal sphere. Okay. Now, independent equilateral system. This system was published of star categories. Okay, in which position heavenly body refers to spherical uh, coordinate. Okay, coordinates which is depend upon the observer position. Two great circle reference. One is equilateral circle, one is declination circle. Former being the primary circle, later secondary circle reference for the fixed star coordinate independent of place of observation, nearly independent of the time. First coordinate body M observe right uh, ascension, body angular distance of the equilateral first point R alpha, the point of the presence today, eastern declination passing through the body, mm, and the angle is eastward crystal fort, the circular, the declination circle through M, the motion of the east to west, right accretion to measure the direction of the motion heavenly body. It may be measured the degree of the minute of the hourly body, thus MMP hour circle. The RA is measured of the equivalent. Another coordinate in the system of declination beta. This is the distance of the body equilateral to the arc of the declination circle. Declination circle accompanies the body diurnal forces. The declination consider positive body, uh, north of the equator negative when it is south. The polar distance B is complement of the declination. P is equal to 90 plus beta in the figure for you to declination of the body. Value of the declination rate equation of the fixed star heaven, though nearly constant, not absolute, as registered these coordinates together annual changes identify the star of the observer. Such register called catalog of star and correction of higher importance. The variation of declination of right equation of the sun is very much greater than the star. Okay. Now we can see the declination circle. Okay. Horizon. Okay. This is the M. Okay. This is beta. Observer meridian. Okay. This is the sun equilateral pole. Okay. Declination of a right angle equation system. Now dependent equilateral system. In this system, coordinate depend upon the observer position of the other coordinate depend upon the observer independent of the observer position. One coordinate depend upon the observer position and other coordinate depend upon the independent of the observer. Two greater circle reference horizon and decline circle, crystal body, former being the primary, later is the second reference. In this system, first coordinate them is the hour angle. Hour angle is the angular distance between the arc and the horizon measurement of the observed, observed meridian of the declination circle passing through the body. It is measure the angle, okay, subtend pole between the observed meridian declination circle of the body. In the northern hemisphere, hour angles always measure from the south and towards the west up to the declination circle. Now we can see the horizon, equator, okay, declination circle, observe meridian, okay, this is the hour angle system. Okay, this hour angle observe declination circle, plan of the equator. Okay, it varies from 0 to 360. H varies from 0 to 180. Star of the western hemisphere, otherwise eastern hemisphere, shown in a figure. Okay, shown the plane of the equator. Yeah, illustrating hour angles measured from two positions. Mm, the other coordinate is declination in a second system. Thus, in a figure 3.13, hour angle say M1M declination of the crystal body, M dash M1 being the projection, M is the horizontal of the crystal latitude and longitude system. Crystal latitude and longitude. In this system, coordinate the primary plane referring to this second plane referring to greater circle passing through the first point of axis and perpendicular plane of the eclipse. Two coordinate crystal body, first one crystal latitude and crystal longitude. Crystal latitude body are greater circle perpendicular eclipse interpreted between the body of the eclipse. The positive or negative depend upon measurement north and south of the eclipse. The crystal board longitude body arc of the eclipse interpret between the great circle passing through the first point and the circle crystal latitude passing through the body. The method of eastward from 0 to 360 crystal body north. Okay, crystal body longitude of the heavenly body M. Okay, this we can see the crystal latitude and longitude. Okay, crystal equator sun. Okay, how the north pole eclipse and this comparison of the system. I started early azimuth and altitude of the star are not constant but continuously changing due to the diurnal motion. On other hand, right accretion declination of star because of the reference first point axis uh, partex of the diurnal motion of the star. However, an instrument can measure the right declination star directly, knowing the angle of azimuth. Right equation declination can be computed from the solution of external triangle provided instead of the time which body a certain position is also determined. Both the system are necessary. First one, direct field of observers. Second one, computing required respect to preparation of the star category. Okay. Now we go for thank you.